Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fruit cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget your favorite fresh fruits, like a cup of sliced strawberries or a ripe mango. Make sure everything is well chilled before you begin for the perfect creamy texture. Now, let's get our fruits ready. Start by washing them thoroughly under cool water and then pat them completely dry. For fruits like strawberries or mangoes, dice them into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1/2 inch in size. If you're using softer fruits like bananas, you might want to mash them slightly with a fork to help them blend seamlessly into the cream. This preparation ensures a delightful mix in every spoonful. Next, it's time to whip that cream. Take your 2 cups of chilled heavy cream and pour it into a very cold mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the cream on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, gradually add your half cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue beating until you achieve firm, stiff peaks, ensuring a stable and airy base for your fruit cream. Finally, let's bring it all together. Carefully add your prepared fruits into the bowl of whipped cream. Using a spatula, gently fold the fruit into the cream until it's evenly distributed. Be careful not to overmix, as this can deflate the cream. Once combined, transfer your delicious fruit cream to a serving dish. For the best flavor and texture, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.